Hey, welcome back. Today, we are going all in. This isn't just a tour of the Anthropic Academy. This is your masterclass. We're going to map out your entire learning journey, right from that very first lesson all the way to you building some truly incredible things with Claude. So let's jump right in. So last time, we kind of walked around the campus of the Anthropic Academy, right? We got a feel for the place. But, a beautiful campus is one thing. The real action starts when you crack open the books. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're turning all that theory into skills you can actually use. So I got to ask, are you ready to make that leap? To go from just being kind of curious about AI to being genuinely fluent in working with it? Because that's the whole point of this. It's not just about using a tool. It's about mastering a completely new way of thinking and creating. Look, every big journey starts with that first step. And in the Anthropic Academy, that first, most important step is building what's called AI fluency. And trust me, this isn't just some buzzword. It is the absolute foundation for everything else you're going to do here. So what does AI fluency even mean? Honestly, the best way to think about it is like learning a new language. It's about being able to collaborate, to have a real conversation with AI. You're not just barking commands at it. You understand what it's good at, you know how to guide it, and you work together. It's a partnership. Because let's face it, you're not just handing tasks off to AI anymore, you're solving big problems with it. And here it is, your first textbook for this new language. This is the cornerstone course, AI Fluency, Framework and Foundations. And you know what's great about this? Look how manageable it is. We're talking 14 short videos, a little over an hour of your time, and one quiz. It's designed to get you up to speed fast, without wasting a minute. But here's the thing. Fluency looks different depending on who you are. So building on that core course, there are specific paths for different jobs. There's AI Fluency for Educators, which is a quick 24-minute course to get teachers using AI in the classroom like tomorrow. There's AI Fluency for Students, which packs the essentials into 30 minutes. Even a whole course for nonprofits. The point is, everyone gets a path that makes sense for their world. Okay, so once you've got that fluency down, that's when things get really exciting. This is where you get to choose your own adventure. You go from that general foundation to a focused, specialized path that lines up with what you actually do and what you're passionate about. Let's just take a look at two really common paths here. Over on the left, you've got the educator. Their whole world is about bringing AI into the classroom. So after that first basics course, they'll jump into AI Fluency for Educators. But on the right, you've got the developer. Their goal is totally different. They want to build stuff. So their journey starts with Claude Code 101. See? Two different goals, two perfectly designed paths to get you there. So let's zoom in on that developer's first move. Claude Code 101. It's super focused, just 1 hour, 12 lectures. It's all about getting an engineer programming with Claude as quickly as possible. And what's so important here is that it's not just about writing code. It's about building the right mental habits from the very beginning. So you're not just using a tool, you're truly partnering with it. Now, for some of you, a 1-hour course is just warming up, right? You're ready for the deep end. And for those of you who really want to become experts, well, the Academy has some seriously intensive learning paths waiting for you. I mean, take the advanced course, Building with the Claude API. How many video lectures do you think are in that one? It's not 10, it's not 20, it's 84. 84 separate, deep dive lectures. And those 84 lectures, yeah, that adds up to over 8 hours of video. Now, this is not just about quantity. A course this deep can completely change how a developer works. It's the difference between knowing how to use a hammer and becoming an architect who can design a whole skyscraper. That's the kind of growth we're talking about. Okay, so you've done the courses, you've got the theory locked in your head. Now what? Well, now we get to the really fun part, putting it all into practice. And this is where the tutorials come into play. This is probably the easiest way to think about it. The courses, they teach you the what and the why. They build that deep understanding. But the tutorials, they're all about the how. They're practical, step-by-step guides that show you exactly how to do real things. Let's make this super real. Say you want to automate your daily workflow. Well, first, you find the Setup Claude Cowork tutorial. Then you just follow the steps to connect your apps. Next, you build your first workflow, maybe something for sorting your email. And then you can even use the dispatch tutorial to learn how to kick off those tasks right from your phone. See, it turns this big, scary idea of automation into something you can get done in an afternoon. And there are tutorials for pretty much everybody. Designers can learn how to prototype, coders can use something called remote control, students can even create visuals that pop up while they study. This isn't just a random list. It shows you that AI really is a toolkit for everyone, and there's a guide to help you get started no matter what you do. All right, We've walked through the entire curriculum. We've seen the foundational courses, the specialist tracks, and the hands-on tutorials. We've seen the whole path from total beginner to expert. So now, the spotlight shifts from the academy back to you. It's your turn. So let's just recap that journey one last time. It's a simple 4-step plan. Step 1, you get the basics down and become fluent. Step 2, you pick your specialty. Step 3, you go as deep as you want to go with the advanced stuff. And Step 4, you make it all real by putting it into practice with those tutorials. The entire path is laid out for you. The resources are all there, your curriculum is sitting right there, ready and waiting, so the only real question left is, with all this power, with all this potential right at your fingertips, what are you going to create first?